Because they're a bunch of idiots. Stupid. A bunch of teenagers setting off fireworks in the middle of the street, too. This is the middle of the street. That's the middle of the street. Everybody can hear that. Multiple people are awake. I see multiple. Okay, I saw some windows like open and stuff. What the hell? Who does that? There's a bunch of kids and all that stuff. I hate them. I don't like them. We can catch them in the act this time. I wish I caught that on video, man. It wasn't even a firework. It just made a loud flash bang. Flash bang. I thought. Flash bang grenade, whatever you call it. I don't know. There's stuff on video. They gotta set off another firework? And that's lame. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, they're doing it at the end. They're shooting at cars and stuff. What the hell? They're shooting at cars through the street. What a bunch of A-listers. Oh. They're shooting at the trees. What the heck? What? Whoa. Hey, knock it off! What the hell are they doing? They're just shooting at them. What the hell? They did a car. What the fuck? I told you you ain't lying. You're doing some crap, man. They're doing some crap, man. I don't know what they're doing. They're doing crap. Oh my god, they're gonna set shit on fire, man. What the hell? This never happened last year. Or any